This is your nightly return. A practice to come back to every night before you sleep. To release the fear, to quiet the thoughts, to remember that your body already knows the way home. Lie down, let the bed catch you. Close your eyes and let your breath find its own rhythm. There is nothing to fix tonight. Take a slow breath in through your nose. And a long, slow breath out, letting the day fall away. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. This is your root. The part of you that has always known how to hold you. When this place is steady, fear cannot stay. Imagine a soft red light glowing at the base of your spine. Warm, steady, patient. Like an ember that has been waiting all day for you to notice it. From this place, let imaginary roots begin to grow downward. Through the bed, through the floor, through the foundation of your home. Down into the soil beneath you. Through cool earth, through stone, through layers of quiet darkness. All the way down to the still, warm core of the earth. Now gently notice the fear you have been carrying today. not the story of it, just the weight. It is allowed to be here. It has been with you all day. On your next exhale, let it travel down those roots. Out of your chest, out of your spine, out through the soles of your feet. Down into the earth, where it can finally be held by something bigger than you. Breathe in soft red light into your root. Breathe out fear into the earth. Again, light in. And out fear into the earth. Now the thoughts, the endless thoughts. Let them fall from your mind down through your body. Out through your roots into the soil below. The earth has held mountains. It can hold your thoughts. You are safe. You are held. You belong here. Return to this practice every night. Your body will begin to remember the way. Each night, you will descend a little deeper. Each night, the fear will weigh a little less. For now, let your roots stay where they are. Let your body rest. Let your mind rest. Let your heart rest. You are home. in yourself. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free Chakra Activation eBook and guided meditations. The link is in the description below. If this practice helped you feel calmer, more connected, the next step is our holistic membership. Inside, you'll get full access to all 9-week chakra balancing course, a guided experience through yoga, pranayama, healing mudras, and meditations to help you release emotional blocks, restore your energy, and bring your chakras into balance. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play Store. If you're ready to feel more grounded, confident, open-hearted, and spiritually aligned, join the membership and begin your chakra balance journey today.